Hi, this is Annette Kershner.
And I'm Annette Maldonado.
And we're with Northern AZ team at HomeSmart Professionals here in the heart of downtown Flagstaff. Today we're going to talk all about the pros and cons of living in Flagstaff. So I'm sure you'll want to stick around. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to ring the bell because we talk a lot about really cool stuff related to Flagstaff, Arizona.
You'll find most people referring to Flagstaff as a mountain town, and it's also known mostly as an NAU college town. It's true, students and young people make up the majority of our community of over 71,000 people residing in Flagstaff. But that means that there's just a wide variety of entertainment, cultural activities, and athletic events for you to enjoy. Plays, concerts, movies, and downtown events and festivals are all held throughout the year, and it's a great way to connect with our community.
Flagstaff is surrounded by the largest ponderosa pine national forest in the world. Flagstaff is full of endless fun outdoor activities such as fishing and hunting and camping and hiking and horseback riding. And in the winter, Flagstaff is a popular ski destination where people visit from all over the world. Also, the summer months are blistering 115 degrees in Phoenix. Many people travel to Flagstaff because our temperature is about 80 degrees.
Rental investments do great in Flagstaff. Our year-round great weather and the need for student housing brings visitors to our great town year-round, making rental properties a great investment in Flagstaff.
Flagstaff is located in the Grand Circle. The Grand Circle offers a beautiful, vast region located in the southwest United States. In this area, we are fortunate to live within the highest concentration of national monuments and parks. The South Rim is just 90 miles away from Flagstaff. Other landmarks include Lake Powell, Walnut Canyon, Bryce Canyon, Zion, and the Petrified National Forest. Those are just short trips that you can take for a day.
Flagstaff is a great city for those who don't like the craziness of a large city. Our crime here is relatively low, and the city still enjoys a small community feel. The annual Best Place Comfort Index for Flagstaff area is 6.9, 10 being the best, which makes it very comfortable than most Arizona cities. You are also only about 2 hours away from Phoenix.
It can take some time to get used to the high altitude here. When you first visit Flagstaff, it's going to feel like you're short of breath or having a hard time breathing. The air is a lot thinner in Flagstaff, where we live at 7,000 feet elevation. So it'll take about a month or two to acclimate yourself for this living condition. And here's a tip: drink lots of water.
Flagstaff has a demanding job market. Because Flagstaff is home to 70,000 plus people in a somewhat isolated setting, the ability to find work can be challenging for some careers. About 20% of employment positions are government, and about 16% are leisure and hospitality businesses, but many people work at the Flagstaff Medical Center or large corporations like Gore, Pepsi-Cola, and Purina. Flagstaff
Housing is costlier than the state average. The median sale price for homes in Flagstaff was $472,500. Home values rose 9.6% in 2019. Maybe you're thinking about a VRBO or an Airbnb. With everything to do in Flagstaff, it would be a great investment. And if you want to rent a place in Flagstaff, the average rent's about $1,900 per month. That'll be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The rental market in Flagstaff, renters make up 48.3% of the Flagstaff population, and 3.8 of the houses and apartments in Flagstaff are available to rent.
Traffic can be an issue in our city at times. It's nothing compared to Phoenix or other major cities, but because of our weekend visitor traffic, we have noticed more traffic on the weekends.
There is a risk of forest fires. Being surrounded by the largest ponderosa pine increases the risk of fire during the dry season. The Wildland Fire Management mission is to promote, create, and maintain a substantially healthy forest ecosystem and a fire-wise community, therefore protecting and enhancing public safety and community well-being. This helps to keep the risk down, but there will always be that risk.
In conclusion, when looking to relocate or invest in Flagstaff, where you choose to live depends on what you want out of life. When evaluating the pros and cons, there are plenty of positives to consider. Flagstaff might be a small town, but it provides a place for neighbors to know each other, and it just makes it a place that's the most inviting place to live in Arizona.
We've also have a link up there, cost of living in Flagstaff, so check that link out. If you want to find more about Flagstaff, you can click on a link below and we'll be happy to send you our Flagstaff relocation guide. Thank you so very much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. We post videos every Thursday all about living in Flagstaff. See you next week.